and welcome. Today's video is brought to you from Kokenhof in Holland. So what you put out, you get back. Think of the words like affluence, which comes from the word affluere, to flow. Think of the word currency, which comes from again the word current, to flow. If you stop the circulation, stop the exchange of the universe, you end up stagnating. For example, if you hold on to money and keep hoarding money, you will actually end up cutting off the circulation of money in your life. So, if you want to receive abundance in your life, and you want to receive love in your life, you want to receive money in your life, you just want to receive a lot of positive energy coming into your life, the first thing you need to do is you need to start sharing that out. So, to practice this law, you want to do two things. The first thing is whenever you meet somebody, go ahead and give them something. That could be a smile, that could be a prayer, that could be a positive thought, that could be a nice little chit or a note or a text message, or even a gift if you want to. You don't have to give them money. In fact, some of the most powerful ways of giving to somebody else is not to give money, but to give them something non-physical, like a smile or a prayer or something to give out good energy. The second thing you do is you must receive wholeheartedly as well. So when the sun is shining on you, you receive that. When you are in a beautiful place like this, which is in Netherlands, you receive that. When somebody smiles at you, you receive that. When somebody gives you a gift, you receive that. Wholeheartedly. To activate this law, you have to give wholeheartedly. If you feel that by giving something you've lost something, then that's not really giving. When you give, you must give for the sake of giving. And when you receive, you must receive for the sake of just receiving. It's not I give to receive, it is I give because I want to give. That's how you activate this law. Good luck. And now we move on to the next law, the law of karma, or cause and effect. Click here to find out more.